Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily, and hello to all of our wonderful listeners tuning in from around the world. It's so good to be here again.
It really is. How are you doing today, David?
I'm feeling great, thank you. I had a really calm weekend. I did some reading, took a walk in the park, and just enjoyed some quiet time. What about you, Emily?
That sounds lovely. I had a busy weekend, but a fun one. I went out with some friends and also spent a little time preparing for today's episode because I'm very excited about our topic.
Oh, really? What's the big topic today?
Today's topic is something that so many English learners talk about. It's something we hear all the time. It's this: I can understand English, but I can't speak.
Yes, that's the number one problem. I hear this from students, from followers online, even from friends who have studied English for years.
Exactly. People say, I can watch movies, I can listen to podcasts, I can read books, but when I try to speak, my brain just freezes.
Yes, it's like the words disappear. You understand, but you can't say it. It's so frustrating.
It really is. But the good news is this problem can be fixed. And today, we're going to share practical, powerful, and simple tips to help you unlock your English voice.
That sounds perfect. I think this will help so many of our listeners. But before we dive in, we have one small, friendly request for everyone listening.
Yes, friends. If you enjoy this podcast and you're learning with us, please take one quick second to give this episode a big thumbs up or a like.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Mr. English Podcast Channel. That way, you'll never miss our new weekly lessons.
Your support really means so much to us. It helps our channel grow and helps other English learners find this show.
All right, now let's get started. Okay, let's start with the big question. Why does this happen? Why do so many people understand English but feel stuck when they try to speak?
That's such a good question. The main reason is that listening and speaking are two different skills. Understanding is passive. Speaking is active.
Right. When you listen, your brain is receiving information, but when you speak, your brain has to create information. It's producing the language.
Exactly. It's like watching someone drive a car versus actually driving the car yourself.
Yes, you can watch driving videos all day, but when you sit behind the wheel, it's a completely different story.
So the solution is to move from being a passive learner to an active speaker. The first key to unlocking your English voice is this: change how you listen.
Change how I listen. But if I already understand English, isn't that enough?
It's great that you understand. That's the first step. But now we need to move from passive listening to active listening.
What's the difference?
Passive listening is when you play English in the background, maybe while cooking, driving, or cleaning. You understand, but you're not fully focused.
Oh, I definitely do that. I often play podcasts while doing other things.
That's okay, but for speaking, you need active listening. That means focusing, repeating, copying pronunciation and rhythm, what we call the shadowing technique.
Ah, shadowing. Like following someone's shadow.
Exactly. You become the speaker's shadow. You listen and try to repeat at the same time, copying the sound, the tone, the emotion.
Wow, that sounds challenging.
It can be, but you can start small. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat it, then move to longer parts. The goal is to train your mouth and ears together.
So I'm not just hearing English, I'm making English.
Exactly. That's how your brain starts building real speaking fluency.
I love that. Active listening, shadowing, got it.
Tip number 2, create your English mode.
English mode? That sounds like a video game setting.
Kind of. Your English mode is a part of your day when you only think and speak in English.
That sounds hard. My brain always switches back to my native language.
That's normal, but here's how to practice. Talk to yourself in English. Narrate your day.
You mean like saying what I'm doing?
Yes. For example, when you're cooking, say, okay, I'm cutting the vegetables, I'm boiling water, I need salt. When you're walking, say, the sky is so blue today. I'm walking to the shop.
Haha, people might think I'm crazy.
That's why you can do it alone or quietly in your head. It might feel silly, but it's very effective because you're training your brain to think in English.
That makes sense. If I practice thinking in English, I'll speak more naturally.
Exactly. Try 5 or 10 minutes a day. That's your English mode.
All right, next question. Sometimes I want to speak, but I don't know the right words. What do I do?
Great question. Tip number 3 is stop memorizing single words.
Wait, stop learning words? That sounds crazy.
I don't mean stop completely. I mean stop memorizing long lists of single words like apple, table, walk. That doesn't help much for speaking.
So, what should I learn?
Learn chunks, groups of words that go together. For example, instead of learning point, learn that's a good point. Instead of mean, learn you know what I mean?
Ah, so it's like learning ready-made phrases.
Exactly, like tools you can use right away. Other examples are let me think. I totally agree. That's interesting.
I love that. It makes speaking feel easier. No need to build sentences from zero.
Yes, chunks are fluency shortcuts. They make you sound natural and confident.
Okay, Emily, what's next?
Tip number 4, speak every single day.
Every day, even when I'm busy?
Yes, even just 5 minutes. 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week.
Why?
Because your brain needs consistency. Speaking English is like going to the gym. A little every day builds stronger language muscles.
So, 5 minutes is enough?
Yes, the secret is frequency, not length. Speak something every day. A short monologue, a role play, or a simple answer to a question.
Okay, but who do I speak to every day? I don't have English-speaking friends.
That's fine. You can speak to your phone.
Ha! My phone doesn't talk back.
You can use your voice recorder. Ask yourself a question like, what did I do today? Or what are my plans for tomorrow? Then record it.
And then listen to it?
Yes, that's the key. Listen and notice your pronunciation or any words you struggle with.
I don't know. I hate hearing my voice.
Everyone does, but it's a great way to improve. Remember, your accent isn't bad. It's just you. Be proud of it.
That's good advice. I'll try recording a short message tonight.
Great! Now let's go to tip number 6, role play.
Role play? Like acting?
Exactly. Pretend you're in real-life situations at a restaurant, airport, or job interview.
All right, let's try. Good afternoon, sir. What would you like to order?
I'd like a pizza, please.
And to drink?
Just water, thank you.
Ha ha! This is fun. It makes me feel like I'm really there.
That's the point. You're training your brain to react in English. So when the real moment comes, your brain won't freeze.
This is great practice for confidence, too.
Yes, role play is like rehearsal for real life.
Okay, Emily. I think it's time to talk about the big, scary thing. Mistakes.
Ah, yes, the fear of mistakes. Everyone has it, but here's the truth. Mistakes are your friends.
My friends? No way! My teachers used to mark mistakes in red.
I know, but in speaking, mistakes are proof that you're trying. They show that you're brave.
So a mistake means I'm brave.
Exactly. You can't learn to speak without making mistakes. Fluency comes after mistakes, not before.
Wow, that changes everything. So I should just speak, even if it's not perfect.
Yes, the goal is communication, not perfection.
Communication, not perfection. I love that phrase.
And our final tip, practice responding.
Responding? Like answering quickly?
Yes, a real conversation is fast. Listen, speak, listen, speak. So you need to train your brain to reply fast.
So I'm training my reaction time.
Exactly. It's like learning to catch a ball. The more you practice, the faster your brain reacts. Okay, David, let's do a little mini practice with our listeners.
Oh, great idea.
I'll ask some simple questions. Everyone listening, say your answers out loud, okay? Don't worry if you make mistakes.
All right, let's begin.
Question 1. What did you have for breakfast today?
I had fried rice and coffee.
Good. Question 2. What's something that made you smile today?
Recording this podcast with you, Emily.
Aw, thank you. Question 3. What are you going to do after this episode?
I'm going to shadow your voice.
Perfect answer. See, everyone, you're already speaking English with us.
Let's review today's tips quickly.
Great idea.
Tip 1. Change how you listen. Practice shadowing.
Tip 2. Create your English mode. Think and talk in English.
Tip 3. Learn chunks, not single words.
Tip 4. Speak every single day.
Tip 5. Record your voice.
Tip 6. Do role plays.
Tip 7. Make friends with your mistakes. Remember, communication, not perfection.
Tip 8. Practice responding quickly.
Perfect. These are simple but powerful. If you follow them, your confidence will grow so fast.
Absolutely. You'll move from understanding English to speaking it confidently.
Remember, everyone, the English you understand is already inside you. These tips are the bridge from your ears to your mouth.
That's all for today's episode. We truly hope these ideas help you unlock your English voice.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Mr. English Podcast channel and give it a like or a review. It really helps.
And we'd love to hear from you. Which tip will you try first? Shadowing? Talking to yourself? Recording your voice?
Tell us in the comments or send us a message. We love hearing from you.
Until next time, everyone, keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, communication, not perfection.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.